The SocIoTal IDM app allows users to manage their Idemix credentials obtained from the issuer server, as well as manage partial identities derived from the obtained credentials. In the My Personal Data option, the app allows the user to customize his attributes, representing the user's values prior to obtaining the credential. To obtain the Idemix credential from the issuer server, it can be done in the credential option of the main menu. The issuer server will interact with the fireware KeyRock IDM to validate the user attributes prior to generating the credential. Once the user has obtained the credential, he can generate different partial identities derived from the credentials. Pressing the New Partial Identity menu, the user can give a name to the partial identity and select the attributes that will be contained in such a partial identity. The partial identity is verified against the verifier server after the creation to make sure it is valid. The cryptographic proof is verified running the Idemix presentation protocol. The app also allows the use of partial identities as a way to authenticate with minimum disclosure of personal information against the Capability Manager server in order to obtain capability tokens. It can be done in the Get Capability Token menu, which allows to obtain an authorization token from the Capability Manager server. The user can select the partial identity and specify the action, device, and resource for which he wants to obtain the token. It allows the user to authenticate and demonstrate that he has the attributes presented in the partial identity without disclosing any other personal information. Here we can see the obtained capability token, which can be used to access any entity having the auth verifier module. Notice that if we change the device, resource or action, we will not be able to obtain the capability token as there is no authorization policy defined.